Today we gonna learn how to switch a Wi-Fi adapter from managed mode to monitor mode. You need to have a Wi-Fi adapter which supports monitor mode. For details check the description, or if you want to find some specific models which support monitor mode, check my video from the description. Let's begin. First go to your Linux machine terminal and enter iw-config. You will find your Wi-Fi adapter in the output. For me it's WLAN0. You can see the mode is managed right now. To change it we need to turn off the adapter first by commanding if-config, follows by interface name, which is WLAN0, and then write down. Hit enter. The interface is turned off. You can see we have been disconnected from the internet as we have turned the interface off. Now we will enter another command to kill the processes which might interrupt to turn on monitor mode. Remember it's not mandatory, but it's better be sure than being unsuccessful. To kill the processes let's enter airmon-ng and then check kill. In the output you will see the killed processes. You may need to install airmon-ng in your Linux disto. Follow my description for that. To change the mode we will now enter iw-config, follows by interface name WLAN0, then mode, and after that write monitor. Hit enter. Now turn the interface back on by if-config WLAN0 up. Voila! Now check it with iw-config. The mode has been changed to monitor. Enjoy! Please subscribe if you find it helpful.